Hello everyone, I'll show you how to make a baking soda powered boat. The materials you will need are an empty plastic bottle, some baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, some vinegar, a straw, I think ideally a plastic straw because it's going to go in water, some scissors and some glue. Now the first thing you need to do is make a small hole in the bottom of the bottle near the edge to put the straw through. You might need to use a drill to do this, about there. And I managed to do that. This plastic is very thin, and so I pushed through a small screwdriver and then successively bigger screwdrivers until you've got a big enough hole for the straw to go through. Then you want to sort of measure off maybe 10 centimetres of the straw, and you want to cut off that bit there. So I've cut off the straw so it's that length. The next thing to do is seal up around the hole with glue. I think this PVA glue will do. Put it round there to make it airtight and let the glue dry. There I've put some of this white art and craft PVA glue around the hole and I'll let it dry. It will dry colourless. It will take some hours. Okay, here goes for the experiment. With the bottle level, you want the straw to be angled downwards like that. I've done that by attaching a bit of tape at this point, so that when the bottle, which acts as a boat, is flat on the surface, the end of the straw will be under the water, you see. Once you've got that sort of angle, now you want to pour some vinegar in the bottle. So you rotate it like this, so that the straw is pointing upwards and the vinegar won't leak out. And let's pour some vinegar in here. There, can you see? I've put some vinegar in here. Now with the bottle relatively flat still, use the wrong end of a teaspoon and you can spoon some baking soda in this area of the bottle. Take care to ensure that the baking soda and the vinegar don't mix at this stage. So it's looking like this. I've put some baking soda here and here is some vinegar. Now we put the cap back on and we're going to quickly invert the bottle so that the soda and the vinegar mix, and turn the boat over so the straw is underwater and it should move about. And there it goes. You can see the bubbles coming out of the back of the straw and it's propelling the boat along. Can you see that? That's the boat moving. We're going to invert the bottle so that they mix like this and put it under the water. And there it goes. And there it goes. And the reason for this is the baking soda reacts with the vinegar to produce water and carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide comes out of this straw and it acts like a little engine and pushes the boat along. There it is. Hope you enjoyed it and see you later.